When expanding and simplifying, the first step is to expand. It's best to treat it as two separate questions. The left-hand side, I'm going to expand first. So 3 times x gives me 3x. 3 times positive 1 gives me positive 3. I then move on to the right-hand side. Positive 2 times by x is positive 2x. Positive 2 times by negative 4 gives me negative 8. That's the expanding part done. Now as the simplifying, again you're collecting like terms. I've got a 3x, I've got a plus 2x. Add those two together, I get a 5x. I've then got a positive 3, take away 8. That leaves me with negative 5. Another kind of question you could be given. Very similar, but this time it's got a negative involved. Again, rule off, treat it as two separate questions for the expanding part. 4 times 3 gives me 12. 4 times positive 2x gives me positive 8x. I then move on to the right hand side. Negative 3 times by 2x gives me negative 6x. Negative 3 times by negative 5 gives me positive 15. That's expanding done. Now onto the simplifying. I've got a positive 8x, take away 6x, that gives me 2x. I've got a 12, add 15, that gives me positive 27, and we're done.